What is up everybody? I hope you are having a great day and make sure to wreck that like button and press that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Warning, the quality of this video is very bad. I don't know for what reason, but don't ask, but yeah, it's bad.
Where you going? You're lost. Dollar Tree headset, so free, freer than a public restroom. You're literally dog water, 0 PR, earning check. Oh wait, you have none. Where you going?
I guess that was, bro, that was so free. Oh my god, bro.
Man, hurry the fuck up, dude! Any fucking day now, you slow driving bitch!
Mining away!
Oh fuck!
See, now that's some bullshit.
When I edited that floor, bro, I said to myself, what the fuck did I just do? I just embarrassed myself in front of everybody who's watching this video right now. Bro, they killed my teammate. No. Bro, they killed my teammate. Wait, where did his teammate go? Oh, his teammate left. Bro, why?
There's no maybe. Take off your clothes.
What? I just point. I'm just I'm gonna emo. Yeah, the best thing to do is just emo. I swear to God.
Just hit your shots, kid. It's quite simple. Do you want to get good? Yes, then I want to get good and hit your shots, kid. Last time I checked, oh yeah, you didn't hit your shots. Have fun in the lobby.
Oh no, where is me up? I can't do it. I'm not video on here. I can't do it. Oh, Ellie Agent, we got Ellie Agent. I forgot that. I think that's on touch. You're free.
Leave me alone!
Dog water.
Okay, I got him. What are you doing? You're lost?
Where you going? You're lost.
I better back the fuck up before I get smacked the fuck up.